Welcome to FinTech Central, the channel at the intersection of artificial intelligence, finance, and technology. If you're into future-focused insights, smart investing, and cutting through the noise, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's radar, but still wildly misunderstood: AI and job automation. Forget vague headlines about robots stealing your job. This video breaks down the actual AI tools replacing real roles in 2025. From white-collar to creative, customer service to legal, and beyond. Let's get into it. The shift is already here. When people hear AI is taking over jobs, they think of factory robots or self-checkouts. But 2025 is different. This wave of AI isn't physical, it's cognitive. We're talking about tools that can write code, draft legal documents, edit videos, analyze data, and even negotiate contracts. And this isn't hypothetical. Businesses around the world are already reducing headcount by swapping traditional roles for tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, ElevenLabs, and AutoGPT, and it's accelerating. Knowledge work is now automatable. Let's start with white-collar and creative roles. These were once thought to be AI-proof, not anymore. Writers, copywriters, and social media managers. Once upon a time, brands paid entire teams to write blogs, ads, and captions. Now, one person with ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai can do all that in minutes. Startups and agencies are downsizing content teams, not because they want to, but because the output from AI is good enough, fast enough, and infinitely scalable. Video editors and content creators. Got a podcast or YouTube video? Tools like Pictory, Descript, and OpusClip can now auto-edit your footage, add captions, find highlights, and format it for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels, all in under 10 minutes. What used to require a freelance editor now takes a few clicks. Graphic designers and thumbnail creators. Need a design in 10 styles? Skip the agency. Tools like Midjourney, DALL-E 3, and Canva AI can generate poster-quality artwork from a single prompt. Design work is no longer a bottleneck. It's becoming an afterthought. Now let's shift from creatives to the front lines: customer support, sales, and admin work. Remember frustrating chatbot loops? They've evolved. Tools like Intercom AI, Ada, and TDO now offer real-time, personalized, and intelligent support. They don't just answer FAQs, they handle refunds, escalate complex issues, and learn over time. First-touch outreach and sales is being revolutionized by tools like Apollo AI, Lavender, and Reggie.ai. They craft hyper-personalized cold emails, respond to objections, and nurture leads without a human SDR ever typing a word. Executive assistants and admins. From scheduling meetings to summarizing Zoom calls, AI assistants like Reclaim, Motion, and Otter.ai are now handling traditional admin tasks. It's like having a personal EA, minus the salary. Analysts, finance, and legal roles. Even highly skilled analytical jobs are starting to feel the AI squeeze. Junior financial analysts. Manual reporting. Outdated. Tools like Power BI, Domo, and Cogram work with ChatGPT integrations to generate real-time dashboards and even interpret the trends. The role of junior analyst is shifting from data wrangler to data overseer. Paralegals and legal researchers. Law firms are quietly using AI tools like Harvey AI, Casetext, and Do Not Pay to draft memos, scan case law, and even initiate filings. It's not replacing lawyers, but it's definitely replacing layers of legal support staff. Accountants and bookkeepers. From classifying expenses to reconciling payroll, tools like Pilot, QuickBooks AI, and Zero AI are making entry-level accounting roles redundant. What used to take a junior accountant days now takes software minutes. Finally, let's talk wildcards. Roles people don't expect AI to touch. Tools like ElevenLabs, Murph AI, and Lovo now generate ultra-realistic AI voices, narrations, audiobooks, ads. They're being done by voice models trained on just a few samples. HR recruiters, first-round screening. AI now filters resumes, screens candidates, and even schedules interviews. Tools like Paradox, HireVue, and Seek Out are automating early-stage recruiting at scale. Tutors and entry-level teachers. Platforms like Conmigo, Socratic, and Quillians offer adaptive tutoring that responds to student inputs. It's not replacing passionate educators, but for test prep and one-on-one basics, AI is already outperforming human tutors. What this means for the future. The takeaway: AI doesn't just eliminate jobs, it dissects them. It breaks roles into tasks, automates the repetitive ones, and leaves humans to manage the edge cases. But here's the upside. One person with the right AI tools can now produce 5 times the output, and in some industries, 10 times. Whether you're a solo creator, analyst, marketer, or entrepreneur, understanding and adopting these tools is no longer optional. It's the edge. AI is no longer the future of work. It is the work, and the people who win won't be the ones who resist it, but the ones who leverage it. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to FinTech Central, and drop a comment below. Which of these tools surprised you most, or are you already using some? More deep dives coming soon on AI, crypto, and the future of money. Until next time, keep building.